shadows and reflection. But first we will discuss about light. What is light? Which type of object emits light? Which type of object not emits lights? Which type of object allow passes of light? And which type of object restriction passes of light? And which type of object allow partially passes of light? All these things we will discuss today in this class. Okay? Now, first we will discuss about what is light. Which things give us light? As we know, light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see. Light is a form of energy which gives us sensation of sight. With the help of light, we can see any object. So, just talking about light is a form of energy, it means it has energy and also give a sensation of sight. For example, if you enter in a dark room, or you can take example at night where is no any light. If it possible to see anything in a dark room or at night? No, because there is no light. Then how can see any object in light? How we can see any object in the presence of light? But before this, we will discuss about some object which emits light its on and some object which not emits light its on, but we can see also of that object. Okay? Now we discuss about a luminous body. Those type of body which emit light of its own. It means this type of object has light its own. Some natural source of light and some object which emits light of its own, artificial. Okay? Some natural source, sun, star, glowworm, and some artificial source of light but emits light its own, candle and lighted bulb. Okay? Here these are example of luminous body. It means this type of object emits light of its own, but most of things around us are non-luminous. But we can see of that object in the presence of light. Then one question arises in our mind: how we can see of that object, which type of object not emit light? Actually, when light incident on any object, at the same time, three events happen at the same time. First one is depends on surface. Which type of surface? First one is reflection, second one is refraction, and third one is absorb. It means when light fall on the surface, some light get reflected from the surface. After reflection, that light reach in our eye. It means after reflection, that light enter in our eye. Then we can see of that object. It means any object we can see after reflection of light from that surface. If we talk about our natural moon, which has not its own light but also shine. How it possible? It is possible when sunlight incident on the surface of moon. Okay? incident light, after that reflected light reach to us, then we can see of that moon. It means only of that part we can see of moon, which part receives sunlight and reflected of that light which reach to us. Okay, it means moon has not its own light, but we can see how reflection of light takes place on the surface of moon. Okay, here some object also, non-luminous object which do not emit light. Just talking about most of things around us which has no its own light, which do not emit light, but we can see of that object. Many example, टेबल, चेयर, है ना, बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है जो नॉन ल्यूमिनस बॉडी है. After that, some basic law also in terms of light, some basic law which follow light. As we know, rectilinear propagation of light. It means light if travel in a homogeneous medium, it means of that type of medium which has same density everywhere in which light traveling. Okay, it means homogeneous medium in which medium which has same density, that type of medium is called homogeneous. Okay, it means if light travel in the same medium, it follow a straight path. Okay, it means light travel in straight line if it passes through same medium. For example, if light traveling in air. Okay, light traveling in air before entering any other surfaces. It means if light travel in air, after that incident on the surface of water, incident on the surface of glass, but before incidenting light on the surface of water, on the surface of glass, they will travel in straight line. But as light incident on the surface of water, on the surface of glass, their medium changes. In that case, light refracted from its path, deviated from its path. Okay, it means their path will diverted. Okay, so this was first basic law of light. Light always travel in straight line if it travel in a homogeneous medium. Next one is law of presence of light ray. It means if one light ray, for example, you can take example to understand this point. If in a room two sources of light, both are coming different wall. For example, some hole in your room, more than one, and both the hole receive sunlight. Okay, both the hole receive sunlight. Both the light travel in straight line. In that case, both the ray travel in straight line. No any path change of light, presence of other ray. It means no changing in path of light whenever other light ray present in that case. Next, principle of reversibility. Principle of reversibility. It means when light incident on any surface, on any reflecting surface, normally, it means we can say perpendicularly, है ना? If light incident on reflecting surface perpendicularly, in that case, light retract their path. It means light turn back in same medium with the same path. This was some basic law which follow light. Okay. After that, some object, just talking, some object allow passes of light and some object not allow passes of light and some object allow partially passes of light. According to that, material allow the passes of light, and translucent which allow passes of light but partially. Okay, translucent which allow passes of light partially, not if incident on the surface which is translucent, not allow whole the light passes through it. But next one is opaque. Opaque is a material which do not allow passes of light. It means completely block the light when incident on the surface of opaque object, opaque materials. Okay, here just discussing about luminous, what is light, luminous, non-luminous, and which type of materials allow passes of light, not allow passes of light, some basic law which follow light. Okay, I hope all of you got it fully. We'll discuss the remaining part of this chapter in next class. Okay, thank you.